What is going on, my meta millionaires, my meta heads, my meta bangers? That's right, man. We're out of so many names. But what is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. That's right, guys. We're here to talk about ticker symbol MMAT Meta. What a big surprise, I know. But we do got a lot of information to talk about. Yes, we look here at the chart, and it makes us disgusting. The stock is down 5% today, but it could be a great buying opportunity of $3.28 a share. Because we're going to talk about this potential quiet period. We got some tweets from George. We're going to go in and cover about this 40-day quiet period. And we're going to go over that due diligence. And we're going to go to the Fintel website and check out the short interest volume. So guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below. And let's go. All right, guys, real quick. The video is sponsored by me. Yours truly. That's right. Terry Yunker and the Patreon group. Guys, we got the 14 active Patreons tomorrow. I'm going to record a private video for the Patreon group. Had a member asking about some options on MMAT. So I do get off work a little early tomorrow, so I'm going to put out a private video talking about meta options in the Patreon. So go check out the link. I'll have it down in the pinned comments. I do got to give a shout out to the 4 new members. You see them right there on the screen. We got Miguel, Zach, Rohit, and David. Thank you guys for becoming Patreon members, man. I'm excited to put out this private video for you guys tomorrow, and all 14 active members will be able to see that private video. So guys, consider subscribing. You can direct message me in there. I put out private videos in the group, plus also other stocks that I do keep an eye on. So guys, let's get back to it. All right, guys, and we are over here on Twitter. This is the metamaterial news at TorchXMeta. Like I said, this is not the official metamaterials, but they do post a lot of great information over here. I love this Twitter page. Here we go, new post. MMAT expect press releases in August. Check. According to George, in the quiet period. Information is not allowed to be released until a month after the stock has become public. So you may ask, when did the stock become public? Because when is this countdown going to begin? So as you see here, this article was back on Investor Place. MMAT stock metamaterials hits the NASDAQ as Torch stock merger closes, and the Torch ended and Meta began on June the 28th. So we go back here to this post. Man, I'm hyped up. Let's get in here, man. I'm super hyped. Here we go. This was from George back on July the 12th. I understand concerns, but I've never been more confident in Meta's future prospects, and many things are in the work. I'm not allowed to indicate the timings or who the potential partnerships are with until become public. There is a process in place, MMAT. Here you go, the quiet period. A quiet period is set in the amount of time which a company's management and marketing teams cannot share opinions or additional information about the firm. The purpose of the quiet period is to preserve objectability and avoid appearance of a company providing insider information to select investors. With an IPO, the quiet period stretches from the time that the company files registration paperwork within the U.S. Regulators through the 40 days after the stock of trading. So there it is, guys. Super exciting stuff. And I do think August, I remember we talked about this on the channel a couple videos back. There was a Reddit post that said around August 11th could be a possible date. Here's someone else talking about, they got it posted here about the earnings report. He was replying, some of this person here said you cannot release anything prior to an earnings report. That's what someone else there said. All right, guys, and we got updates as well from George himself on his Twitter page. Now, let's go cover the updates that George has out. They are in a hiring frenzy. That's all I'm going to say. Here he says, 4 hours ago, a very warm welcome to our new HR manager, Monica Driscoll, CPHR, to growing Metamaterials Inc. team. Monica joins us from IMP Aerospace and Defense, and she brings knowledge and experience in all aspects of human resource management and training. This is awesome, man. I mean, a lot of people on here, if you read the comments, a lot of people's like, why are you posting about hiring? Why are you doing all this? But I must say it is good because you're only as good as, your team. Company can't be great if they don't have a great team. George here as well posted this 8 hours ago. Great article at Wired. The underlying physics is the key to a $50 billion market for AR, VR glasses. And that's augmented reality and virtual reality. Consumers are looking for glasses that are compact, easy to wear, high quality displays. Meta materials can enable flat optics, making AR and VR better. If you click on that, it'll take you here to this link. I must say, that's a pretty cool looking picture, I'm not gonna lie. Virtual reality is the rich white kid of technology. Now I must say, that kind of, I don't know, that title kind of caught me a little bit off guard, but there is a big article here. There's a lot of information. You can go in here and read it. If you click down on George's Twitter, click on that link, it'll take you to this article here on Wired. You can go check it out. I mean, there's tons of information in here kind of talking about virtual reality and everything. So I do think it's a great read. You just need to go in and make sure you do your due diligence and read that article, guys. So let's go here now to the Fintel website. That's right, we're going to go here and cover this. So saying for today, the short volume ratio is 34.23%. The short interest is 11.6 million shares. The short interest to float is 6.56. The short squeeze score is 58.27, so not really much. If we scroll down here and take a look at some of the other news, what I don't understand is if the shares are getting short at like 50 some, the short volume ratio is like 50% every day. So if we look here today, it updated on July 27th. The FINRA short volume is 2.7 million shares. The FINRA total volume is 4.7, makes the FINRA short volume ratio of 57.36. So that is very interesting that every day, I've covered this for the last week, the FINRA short volume ratio has been above 50%, so 57.36%. If we scroll down here, the fail to deliver has not updated since June the 30th, but like I said, I'm here to keep you guys up to date. They did update the short interest daily Fintel updates. So it says here the short interest of shares is 11.6. The shares outstanding is 284 million. The short interest percent is 4.1. The float is 177 million shares. Float less the short interest, 165 million, saying the short interest to float is 6.56%. The short interest on the official NASDAQ data is still the same, and the other funds there are the same. And I think if we go here and check the ownership, the buyers, no new buyers as of today. Yesterday I did cover in the video, we had 2 buyers. XR Securities bought 78,000 shares, and STRS Ohio bought 14,250 shares. We go here and check out the sellers. There was someone here that I did want to kind of do the math on this, because this is intense. So this Biltmore Wealth Management says their average share price is $4.66. They apparently sold 69,450 shares. So I just got to go in here real quick, guys, to do the math. We got to see how much they potentially lost on this. All right, so I did the numbers real quick, and here's a quick rundown. If they're saying that the average share price is $4.66 and they had 69,000 shares, it would have been $323,637. Now, the price on the 26th is saying it was around $3.43, give or take. That says that if they would have sold in, would have been around $238,213, giving them a loss of over $85,000, guys. This is a quick rundown on the numbers on that. If this is all correct, I'm kind of confused over here where it says their profit and their return. So I don't know if this average share price is correct, because over here it says profit times 1,000, 393,000, and the return is percent, 309%. So a little confused on those numbers there. But guys, just wanted to say thank you again for checking out the video and subscribing to the page, and super excited about the future of Meta and where we're going to go. Like I said, this quiet period is going to be coming up here. I think in August we're going to start seeing some press releases, guys. I'm super excited about it. Hope you are too. Guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.